Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tracy, the Bomb Cooking Mom, and welcome to my channel, the Bomb Cooking Mom TV. And I am inviting you over because it's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Thank you to all the military families, the military men. My dad personally was in the military, as well as my granddad. So we're off from work. If you're like me, not just from COVID, but you're off from work and you want to come up with some ideas, because see, we can't really barbecue. It's real gloomy outside today and the weather's not at its greatest. It's actually raining where I'm from. I'm in Connecticut and it's raining today. So one thing that I loved that my mom used to do, or my favorite aunt used to do, is would cook one of our favorite things, and I took that family tradition into my family. So whatever the holiday, the season, birthday, I love to take whatever their favorite thing is and use it and see what I have in my kitchen so that I don't have to go outside. And I really hate shopping, period. I hate it. And COVID-19 makes it even better because not a lot of people are out shopping. But I do have a secret weapon. I like to buy things and store it. And one of those things I like to store is skewers. Why skewers, you may ask? Well, today we are making some shish kebabs, and we're making beef kebabs. And I had some beef chunks or beef stew you may see in the supermarket for stews. I happen to have some in my freezer. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna make this marinade and we're gonna shish up them kebabs, okay? Because my kids love shish kebabs, and I'm gonna even show you a little couple of tricks in between while we're doing this video that you could use for any recipe. All right, so let's get started by marinating these beef kebabs so we can enjoy them one bob at a time. All right, so it's been more than a half an hour. I kept it in there for quite a few hours, and this is our marinated meats that we've taken out of the fridge. And now we're going to skewer them, darling. Yes, we're going to skewer them, darling. Skewer. We're going to get the skewer going on. And I don't know why I keep looking up at y'all. Like, I look weird, but I don't care. These are my veggies that I chopped up. Got some red onion, some orange and yellow peppers. I don't have green and red. I'm just using what I got. You can use what you got. So let's get to skewering. Got my cleaned, yes, I said it, my cleaned skewer. And I'm going to add a veggie first, a nice hunk of meat. Hey guys, and here's the finished product. Some of them, as you will see, they have like 3 on there. I got them on my baking pan here, and that just looks so pretty and colorful. And oh my god, this reminds me of back in the days in the 80s and 90s, even around, well, not around now, in New York, where we would get the guy outside of Manhattan, and he would have the shish kebabs. You would get that normal shish kebab by Central Park or by Riverbank Park on 116th Street in Harlem, and they would have shish kebabs with the toasted bread at the end. I used to always want one, and my mom used to get it for me, and that's what this reminds me of. And they would give you a long one too, the toasted bread, but I don't have no Italian bread, so we're gonna eat what we got. And what I'm doing is just taking some more of the marinade and going over. I did the other side already, so I'm just showing you guys, just go over the vegetables, because I did not soak the marinade in the vegetables. I like to taste my vegetables and let everything from the meat, all the seasoning, you know, all what marry, or I was about to say weld. I don't know why I want to say weld. What am I going to do? Weld a metal shish kebab? I don't think so. All right, guys, there you have it. We're putting it in a 400-degree oven, which I already have it set. We'll put it in about 30 minutes. You really don't have to turn them over, but if you choose to after 15 minutes, you can, to make sure that they're cooked evenly. So we're going to put this in for 15 minutes, check them out, turn them over, cover them, and then put them back in the oven for 15 more minutes. See you in a minute. I just wanted to share something really quick, because one thing about me, I love God, and he loves to talk to me and those who have relationships with him in ways that he understands. And I just put the shish kebabs in the oven, and I only used what I had, and I didn't think I had enough. This is what's left over from me chopping up the vegetables and everything for the shish kebabs. And here's tip number 3. Use what you have to the fullest. These leftovers, I also used a portion for my shrimp pasta salad, and just did the shish kebabs and did a full bowl of shrimp pasta salad with these vegetables, same vegetables. Okay, and they're still good. They have no meat juice on it, they have no shrimp juice on it. But I say that to say to you is, God wants us to use what we have in our hands. Here it is. I didn't think I had enough vegetables. I didn't think I had enough ingredients. I didn't think I had enough of anything to show you guys how to put it all together. But what we have is right in front of us. And here is the leftover portion, like Jesus with the 5 loaves and the 2 fishes when he fed the crowd and he had all of those baskets left over. It's the same principle in your life. Stop thinking you don't have enough. You are more than enough. Use what's in your hand. Stop thinking that you're not enough. You are more than qualified. You are more than anointed and appointed. Use what you have in your hand. Just like I'm going to use these vegetables that I have in this bowl for my next meal one day this week, because I have more than enough in my hand.